Welcome to farhasvlog.
Okay, today what are we going to do?
We're gonna do what's the box challenge?
That is the box here, right here. The box is right here, and we are going to do a challenge of what's inside the box. So the challenge is between. Hold on, guys. The challenge is between these two boys, and I'm the leader. I'm going to judge them. So it's going to be tricky and fun and loving. We're going to cry. We're going to laugh. We're going to do lots of stuff. All right. So let's begin with the challenge. Who's going to go first?
Me, please, I want this.
Okay, so what happened if you're older? Okay, then no one will go first. Alright? So come on.
Why
Close
did
his
you
eyes.
make
It's
two?
coming.
Why did you
A
make
few moments
See
later.
what's inside your box. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Put your hand in. You can't see. Put your head up. What is it? You have to think and tell me.
a dinosaur? A dinosaur?
Yes, correct. So, Safan, your time starts now. Come on, tell us what's behind under the box.
Oh, what is a ground? Slime? No.
Your time starts now. What is it?
Sauce. Oh. Put your hand in.
And take a time to think what it is.
Dala.
What?
Yogurt.
No.
What is that?
It may be alive, but you can think. It's moving. It's moving fast.
No.
Yes.
Stop.
It's trying to climb on you.
Stop. You're scared.
Okay, you have to think. Your time starts now.
What? Is it alive? Yes.
Yes.
It's about to bite him.
Oh my God. I'm getting panic. What is it?
A lemon. That is artificial.
All right, you won. Sayan, come on, it's your turn. Be slow. It's gonna bite you.
Slime.
Slime.
It's a make you happy. What is that?
Put your hand. Come on. It's gonna go. It's crawling. Come on.
Be serious.
It's crawling.
Be serious right
It's
now.
creepy. Sayan, you can see.
Don't
What is it?
water.
No. Check well. Don't put in your mouth.
Is it soap?
The other one.
Soap?
No.
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 It is.
What do you do? Check.
Don't. Hey. What is it? Oh, you.
Sanitizer.